What's up, guys? Andrew with Agency Turnkey. Doing another video for you guys. Like I mentioned, we're doing a lot of cool stuff with attorneys. This is a different industry. I think I shared a little bit about this when we first started getting going with this campaign. And we're about a month in. And this is going to be for basically anyone who's been severely injured in like a oil or gas accident at work. And these are the results for it. We never really done something like this for this specific type of industry. Workers' comp, tons of it, but this was like specifically going after these type of workers. So took a little bit of research, but we're able to do some cool stuff. So this budget here was no, this budget here is I think it's like 8,000. So we still got room to run. But look, we generated 52 leads, about 113 a pop. And we just have one campaign here that's pretty much doing pretty good. And these are all images. I had no idea what to put for video. I don't have any UGC creators that work in an oil field, so wasn't able to do that. But we just stuck with video. Stuck with images. And the images that we stuck with were like not normal images. They were just kind of like, they looked like pictures that you would get out of like an old person's cell phone. And so that gives you any kind of hint. Yeah, that's the images that we ran. Really, really non-addy type of pictures. And these are the results, 52 leads. We have one campaign here that's rocking and rolling. This campaign I turned off, I think it was today. I thought I was going to do good. I mean, we were getting leads in here for like sub $80, and then they just started to just fail. So, I mean, I don't want this to keep going up and up and up when we got something here that's working for less with more volume. This one, I have no idea why I turned this one off. This one seemed better than that one, but there's probably a reason behind it. On the back end, we are asking questions. So it's not just like name, phone number, email. They're obviously long form survey forms that they're answering. So it's, I think it's 3 questions, where do you work? What happened? Have they hired an attorney yet? And basically tell us what happened. So three multiple choice and then one short answer type of question that we're asking. And so it's not like low cost CPL. Like what I'm trying to say is it's not going to automatically give you a low cost per lead because you're asking so much on the back end. I'm sure these can be a lot cheaper if we were asking no questions and just getting contact information, or just asking multiple choice questions, 2 at max, and these can probably be cut in half. But the client wants multiple questions, answered, so that's what we're doing here. But yeah, I think this video is long enough. These are the results that we've been driving, and pretty excited about it. So if you guys are looking for a white label agency, feel free to reach out. We can talk if, we can set that up for you. Or if you want to have us train your media buyer to get results like this or in similar industries, then reach out and we can talk about all the dirty details that come with that. But anyways, guys, until the next video, enjoy your day and keep crushing it this week. I'll talk to you guys later.